In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trigger actions from a one deal in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. We're going to create a simple automation so that when a deal is marked as one, Pipedrive immediately performs the action you want, like sending a notification, creating a follow-up task, or kicking off a handoff. This keeps your pipeline clean and your next steps consistent. Start by opening Pipedrive and looking at the left sidebar. Click the three dots icon to reveal more options. From that menu, select Automations. This takes you to Pipedrive's Automation Center, where you can build workflows without code. If you don't see automations, make sure your plan includes it and that you have the right permissions. Now, click the Add Automation button in the top right corner. You'll land in the Automation Builder, which is organized into a trigger, optional conditions, and actions. You can give your automation a clear name so it's easy to find later. For the trigger, choose an event trigger. This tells Pipedrive to watch for a specific change in your data rather than running on a schedule. Next, set the trigger to deal and choose updated as the event. A deal being marked as 1 is technically an update, so this setting ensures the automation is listening for that change. To make sure it only runs at the right time, add an instant condition. Select deal status, set it to 1, and apply the condition. This is important because it prevents the workflow from firing on every deal update and limits it to the exact moment a deal becomes 1. With the trigger and condition in place, it's time to choose the action. Click to add an action, then pick what you want Pipedrive to do automatically after a deal is marked 1. Common choices include creating a follow-up activity for account management, sending an internal notification to your team, updating a field for reporting, or sending a templated email to the customer if that fits your process. Configure the specifics of the action so it uses the deal's details, like the owner or organization, and confirm the settings. That's all. Your automation is ready. From now on, whenever a deal is updated and its status becomes 1, Pipedrive will immediately run the action you set. For best results, keep your conditions precise so you avoid duplicates, and review your action settings to ensure they align with your handoff or celebration workflow. This small setup saves time, reduces manual clicks, and ensures every one deal triggers the same reliable next step.